Welcome to part 2 of our quiz review. We just finished up with question 4. We're going to now move on to finding the sum for problem 6. So when you find the sum, again, all you do is distribute a positive 1 and then combine like terms. So I distribute my positive 1 here. Let me draw. It is m squared plus 6m to the 5th minus 3 plus 4m squared plus 2m minus m to the 5th. Now I'm going to go through, rearrange my terms in standard form, then I'll combine my like terms. So my highest power is 5, so 6m to the 5th minus m to the 5th. The next highest power is 2, so plus m squared plus 4m squared. The next highest power is just m, so plus 2m minus 3. All right. Now I'm going to combine my like terms. Remember, combining like terms, you just combine the coefficients and the variables are what's left over. So when you think of it, think if I have 6m to the 5th minus m to the 5th. So 6 minus 1 is 5, and I'm talking about m to the 5th. Multiplying has different rules, but when you're combining like terms, you simply add or subtract the coefficients. So those have been combined. Now I'm at m to the second, which is really 1m to the second, plus 4m squared. So now I'm at 1 plus 4, 5m squareds. There's no other m's, so the 2m comes down, and then the minus 3 comes down. So the sum of those two trinomials is 5m to the 5th plus 5m squared plus 2m minus 3. Okay, now let me grab a clean piece of paper to do the subtraction. Subtraction is the same concept, but when you distribute the second polynomial, you're distributing a negative 1. So when I look at this one right here, I'm going to do number 7. K minus 9 minus the quantity 4k minus 7. Here I distribute a 1. So I'm at k minus 9. Let me move this so you can see a little better. That's my distribution. Now I'm distributing a negative 1. So negative 1 times 4k is negative 4k. Negative 1 times negative 7 is positive 7. Remember, a negative times a negative is a positive. Now I'm going to go through and rearrange. So I'm at k minus 4k minus 9 plus 7. Combining like terms, remember that's an imaginary 1, so I have 1k minus 4k, negative 3k, negative 9 plus 7, negative 2. And that would be your final answer for find the difference. Remember, we're not finding a solution, we're finding the difference, so we simply simplify. And then I will look at, I think number 8 looks a little more complicated, so I will be doing number 8 right now. So this, I'm distributing a 1, so I'm at negative 2w squared minus 7. For the rest of this, I'm distributing a negative 1, but they'll never write that 1 there. It'll always be just a minus sign. So you can think I'm distributing a negative. The negative of negative 6w, positive 6w squared. The negative of negative 2w is positive 2w. The negative of negative 3 is positive 3. Now I'm going to rewrite negative 2w plus 6w, 2w squared plus 6w squared plus 2w minus 7 plus 3. Combine like terms, 4w squared, because negative 2 plus 6 is 4, plus 2w. Negative 7 plus 3 is, minus 4. And that will conclude this section, and I will continue with multiplication in the next video.